Very briefly, real-time example. You can see right now it's 11:16, 11:21 UTC, which is 6:21 in the morning here Eastern Standard Time. Uh, couldn't sleep, woke up early, ended up getting a trade set up here on the 16 range chart. It's kind of my thought process, like running through, sitting down on what I did. We'll swap over here. Um, so opened up the 128. You can actually see with this close here, we've got a pretty nice stochastic structure going, which actually might be worth entering here for a kind of bigger swing type of thing through the end of the day today. That wasn't here when I began the trade. I think we were on this negative cross here, so bullish action definitely makes this chart look a lot better. Going down to the 64, very weird and unfortunate structure here. Just a lot of market weakness since Monday of this week. Just prices grinding lower. The AO just keeps putting in divs that never play out. We finally get a cross and then just flip negative again. Um, so this is kind of just a mess and something to stay away from, unfortunately. Anyway, in my session this morning, like no reasons to take this trade or anything based on this chart. Getting down here, still a lot of chop. Not a whole lot different than the 64 in terms of what it's offering. We got some kind of low here and then a high structure up through here and then another low that isn't really very pretty. And then ran back down and had a lower low. So it could be some kind of high here based on this or could push up, but nothing actionable. But on the 16, I'll hop back over to my drawings. We had a very nice like low, high, higher low structure. So I figured it was worth a punt. Didn't really I think that it would necessarily succeed, but I ended up being a little bit late for the stochastic cross entry here. So I just placed a limit order, which ended up getting filled, and then the trade just played out about as nicely as possible. So I think we had the negative cross on the AO, so we were somewhere down here. Um, I think it was before this, the positive bar printed, that I actually set the limit order. You can see kind of running through the AO and stochastic criteria. We have the clean market structure pattern we look for. We do have a stochastic cross. So entry here would be valid and could be taken, just might be a little bit hasty, not the strongest. We get the AO negative cross and we get a positive bar flip. So could also take the trade here, which I think would have gotten stopped out if we just took it on the AO. Yeah. So kind of ended up just getting a lucky re-entry and very good position. And then the trade just played out super nicely. We got a positive AO cross here. So could have either added or re-entered, but I was already in a decent sized position that was about what I was feeling like taking this morning, so fairly happy with it. It was just one ES contract that I ended up taking as far as sizing. So 20 ticks of risk, 60 ticks of profit. Every tick on the ES is $12.5. So $750 of profit just based on this Insomnia kind of lucky play out trade. Goes to show it's not very hard. You really can just sit down and find these and, get value out of them. Cool. Gonna cut it off for there.